Morning to all. Here I am going to explain our poem How to Tell Wild Animals. This is part second, and I am going to start this poem from fourth passage. So here, if you are walking round your yard, you meet a creature there who hugs you very hard. Be sure it's a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more curse. So rhyming scheme of this passage is A B A B C C, and in the second line assonance has been used as E sound has been repeated, meet a creature there. So assonance has been used here. So here poet is going to say that sometimes you could be walking around your yard. There you could meet a creature who would hug you very hard. Then you can be sure that it is a bear, and if you show any hesitation in accepting his hug, he will certainly give you just one more loving hug. Then you'll come to know that this is a bear. So, next is though to distinguish beast of prey, a novice might nonplus the crocodile you always may tell from the hyenas come with merry smiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. So here novice means someone new, and nonplus means confused. Novice word has been used that for a person who know nothing. So here the poetess is saying that a novice can get confused while distinguish beast of prey, but it's not difficult between a crocodile and hyena. We know that there is a famous idiom crocodile tears. So the crocodile will always come to you with tears in his eyes, while hyena will come with happy smiles. So here is the difference between crocodile and hyena. So again the rhyming scheme of this passage is A B A B C C. And now the next passage. So here is your last passage. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of things. He hasn't any ears at all, and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, it's the chameleon you see. So, the true chameleon is a small animal. It is a thing that looks a sort of lizard. It has no ears at all. It doesn't have even a single wing. Then, if you see nothing on the tree, though it is there on it because it has a special characteristics that it can change its color, so you can be sure that it's a chameleon. So here alliteration has been used. In the third line he hasn't, h sound is going to repeat here, so alliteration is here. And in the fourth line, and not a single wing, g sound is repeated here, so consonance is here. So this is our poem How to Tell Wild Animal. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a nice day.